Christmas for everyone. Yeah. So today, oh my God. Wait, I have to put this together. Today, you can see I wear my pajama. Christmas pajama today. I wear my Christmas pajama and also my Christmas hat and my earring. Yeah, all this I got it Walmart. Yeah, it's very comfortable. Yeah. So something I want to share with you, my passion. You wear pajama, but also you want to smell good. I want to show you something. You know, it's a Christmas. This year, the Christmas, I'm going to wear this. You see this one? Even and also something I want to show you. My favorite, latafa. You can lay out this latafa a little bit. Don't put too much, but it smells so good. It smells vanilla, sweet, chocolate, coffee. It's very good and it stays long when you mix with this. Come on. It smells so good. You're going to smell flower at the same time citrusy. Peach. If you don't want the sweet one, you can still use this with your pajama. Merry Christmas again for everybody. So don't forget to subscribe, share, leave comment and share with your family and friend. I wish you a very, very Merry Christmas with your family and friend. Thank you for watching my video.